Hello everyone. In this video tutorial we will discuss about molecular methods that are used in neurobiology. Here we will discuss different techniques like DNA, RNA extraction, polymerase chain reaction and rapid amplification of cDNA ends in detail. Let's talk about molecular technology. Molecular diagnosis is the most suitable method for infection agents that are difficult to detect, identify, or test for susceptibility in a timely fashion with conventional methods. Need of molecular methods is most important in diagnosis of Mycobacterium tuberculosis, chlamydia, Trachomatis meningoencephalitis syndrome, and respiratory viral illness. What is neurobiology? Neurobiology is the study of cells of the nervous system and the organization of these cells into functional circuits that process information and mediate behavior. It is a sub-discipline of both bio and neuroscience. Neurobiology differs from neuroscience, a much broader field that is concerned with any scientific study of the nervous system. Neurons are cells that are designed in a way to receive, propagate, and transmit electrochemical impulses. In the human brain alone, there are over 100 billion neurons are present. Neurons are varied with respect to morphology and function. How molecular method works? Where traditional method fails, it works. Microscopy gives false positive results in T. vaginalis and gonorrhea, intercellular pathogens and chlamydia. Subtyping in case of herpes simplex virus, HSV, HCV, hepatitis C virus, HPV, human papilloma virus. Microbial growth is slow, myco-TB. Every organism contains some unique species-specific DNA sequences. Molecular diagnostics makes the species-specific DNA visible. Applications involve classification of organisms based on genetic relatedness, genotyping, identification and confirmation of isolate obtained from culture, early detection of pathogens in clinical specimen, rapid detection of antibiotic resistance and detection of mutations. Methods. A few methods include nucleotide sequencing, or FLP, plasmid profiling, nucleic acid hybridization, amplification techniques. And then now we are discussing about different techniques including DNA, RNA extraction, polymerase chain reaction, BRACE. DNA RNA extraction, tissue flash frozen in liquid nitrogen or immersed in solution of RNA later. RNA extraction yield can be enhanced by decontaminating or with RNase ZAP frozen tissue rapidly using RNA preservation buffer like RNA later. Tissue homogenized and DNA RNA extracted using commercially available kits later. Nucleic acid quality and quantity measured by spectrophotometer. Separation by gel electrophoresis also commonly used to assess DNA size, quantity and quality. You can see this picture procedure of including different steps: spin, wash, solution, and then spin. Then we will obtain DNA, extracted DNA. Now polymerase chain reaction. Here DNA is extracted from sample and stored at -20 degree. PCR requires DNA primers flanking gene of interest, heat resistant polymerase tag and nucleotide DNTPs. Tag and DNTPs in buffer are incubated with forward and reverse primers. Sample DNA are placed into thermosizzler. 30 cycles later, you have 1 billion copies. Source of error includes mispriming. Mispriming is an error in PCR due to low annealing temperature. PCR primers bind to incorrect location in this error. Then primer dimer, it forms when two primers binds to one another. Here you can see polymerase chain reaction in a picture. It is a process of RACE. What is RACE? Rapid amplification of cDNA ends. Techniques used to discover exons, splicing variants, or gene structure. Messenger RNA is purified by running total RNA to column of poly T beads and evaluate one primer towards gene of interest, upstream exon, second anchor primer towards universal poly A tail. Everything in between primer 1 and its poly A tail will be amplified. Resulting transcript can be sequenced to identify contents of the messenger RNA being investigated. Here you can see RT reaction and race reaction difference in detail in this picture. Thank you for watching.